Prepare to experience the all-new 2025 Skoda Yeti, a formidable SUV ready to excel in both urban settings and off-road conditions with unparalleled proficiency. Skoda has enhanced audacious design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched versatility in this exceptional offering. What differentiates the 2025 Yeti? In addition to the engine's power and the luxurious cabin, there's an unforeseen aspect that will significantly change your view of SUVs. Stay vigilant to the finish, since the upcoming disclosure may make the Yeti your optimal choice. The 2025 Skoda Yeti showcases a refreshed exterior that is modern and eye-catching. The Yeti now has more pronounced, aggressive lines compared to its predecessors, yielding a dynamic and strong aesthetic. The front features an enlarged grille and sleek LED lighting, giving the SUV a more imposing presence on the road. Its high stance and wide wheelbase augment its formidable off-road capabilities. Aerodynamic shapes and redesigned rear LED taillights elevate the vehicle's opulent, contemporary appearance. The inside of the 2025 Skoda Yeti is designed for comfort and sophistication. The inside features high-quality materials, providing a spacious and opulent seating arrangement with ergonomic controls for the driver. The minimalist interior incorporates sophisticated technology, including a 10-inch touchscreen dashboard, adaptive cruise control, and a 4-zone climate control system. The innovative entertainment system ensures a technologically superior driving experience, while the flexible rear seats and generous baggage capacity make it an ideal choice for families and long trips. The 2025 Skoda Yeti offers multiple engine options to meet varied driving needs. The base model is equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine that generates around 150 horsepower. More powerful variants have a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine that can produce up to 200 horsepower. Additionally, hybrid varieties are expected to be available, combining fuel efficiency with strong performance. The new Yeti is equipped with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth handling and superior performance over all terrains. Off-road modes, advanced safety features, and an active chassis enhance its performance in diverse conditions. The 2025 Skoda Yeti is expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025. The Yeti is anticipated to attain widespread global distribution, beginning its launch in Europe and certain Asian territories. The base model is expected to start at around €25,000 to €30,000. Premium versions, including hybrid vehicles, may range from €35,000 to €45,000, depending on specific features and configurations.